Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love subscription boxes and you guys do too. This is another day of Vlogmas, aka Durismas, and today's video is my Ice Cream Beauty box for the month of November. I'll pop deets right here for y'all. And I'm gonna address, as I have the past few videos, everything is packaged beautifully. They have been ghost silent. However, I do know that Christina over at Gourmande Girls has spoken to the owner of Ice Cream Beauty. So I feel like she's trying to kind of work some kinks and stuff out. I cannot speak on behalf of her, but I do know that she obviously has had a lot going on. As I've kind of spoken to since like September, just as a small business owner myself and stuff like that, obviously I understand and have given grace. That's why I'm still choosing to purchase my box and unbox it for you guys. I'm giving grace because as a small business owner, I understand when things happen, life, you just get derailed. And I know with the kind of Clarity Cosmetics, all the palettes and stuff that were shattered, I know that the idea or the notion is that like if you own a business that people just automatically assume you're rich and you got money coming out the wazoo when they don't really pay attention to the fact that like so much more goes into that. And there are weeks that you're not paying yourself, so on and so forth. So I have given her grace and I'm glad that somebody did kind of reach out, and somebody spoke to her. So she has just been dealing with a lot. I'll leave it there. I do understand that some of you and myself personally have been a little bit frustrated since after August. So I'm hoping that kind of moving forward that she, first of all, is okay, and that we will start to see her kind of branch out again and just kind of be a little bit more communicative and stuff like that with us. So all that to say, I love the box as a whole. That's why I'm still choosing to purchase it myself. I do purchase this myself, and why I choose to showcase it. I'm not asked to do this. I'm not paid. I have no discount code, no nothing. So we have the theming here. It tells us what's inside the box. Of course, I don't want to see that. All right, first up is the Brats and Beauty Creations. I actually cannot tell what that says. Matte black and white dual liners. Ooh, nice. I like the packaging. I do have a couple of videos showcasing beauty creations here on my channel. I do also have several videos unboxing the Ice Cream Beauty bag and a box. I like that. That's cute. Beauty Creations does a lot of like licensed collaborations and stuff like that. And especially for the price point, I think they do a fantastic job. Okay, next up is, what in the hell is this? ZC, no clue. There's no indication whatsoever because that is obviously not a language that I speak. So I'm gonna hand that to my son and let him open it with his little kniff and then we'll come back to it. No idea what that is. Next up is something else from ZC. This is the Living Colorfully. Also, no idea.
It's boba.
Okay, next up. Oh yeah! I totally forgot. I actually know that Christina had put some stuff into this box this month. This is from Gourmande Girls. This is from the Trapped collection. If you were to ever shop with Gourmande Girls, first of all, I'm not sure if the sale's still going on the night that I'm filming this. I'm trying to get this up quickly for you guys, but she has 40% going on. And if you don't make the 40%, I do have a discount for 10% off. It's Riri10 for 10% off. That is affiliated. Ooh, I actually like that color a lot too. This is the shade. I have no idea.
Oh, it's a blush.
Shallows. Ooh, that is beautiful. I'm assuming it's a gloss. I'm not 100% sure. This is, oh, that's so cute.
It says it's a blush on the back.
All right, it is a cool blush.
It's boba.
Okay, that's cute as hell, y'all. And things are not quite as yellow as they appear. My lighting, y'all, I'm so sorry. Like, my lighting and everything is just trash right now, so I apologize for everything. And then this. I thought you were opening this, too.
You just said open that. I didn't need a knife.
We just filmed an unboxing, too, and ate and stuff, so I literally probably have food in my teeth. I have Sasson all over my hands. Look, y'all. It's a mess around here, but we're an honest mess. So if you're here, thank you so much.
Did you need a knife for
that? Probably.
You got it.
Yeah, if I had nails that I broke in the move. I also, yeah, I'll just move too. Just hence all of the chaos, okay? And we still have company and family and stuff in town as well from Thanksgiving and stuff too. So I do apologize. I'll be back to my regular scheduled programming very soon, I hope. All right, this is Living Colorfully. Good gracious. I cannot open anything tonight, y'all. I'm gonna go with it's a mascara. And the few things I've tried from ZC, I think they do a really good job. Ooh, oh, I'm gonna like that, I think. Slightly curved, teeny tiny little bristles. And it looks super duper black. Ooh, I'm excited. And then last but not least, our palette of the month. That is another reason why I stick with Eyescream Beauty, because they showcase indie brands, which y'all know have my heart and soul. And there's a palette in every single box. This is the release. This is the limited release for Gourmande Girls. This is the La Petite Maison from Gourmande Girls. I do like that it has her updated branding and stuff like that. This is so cute. And this was limited to the Eyescream Beauty box, but I did see her post and say that she had a few up on her site. I've not actually seen it yet. And we do have the protective covers over our shimmer shades. It does fold all the way back, which is perfect for me. And already I'm seeing that it's a beautiful Riri palette. It's very fall, very grunge, very warm leaning as well. And then we'll take the little covers off. I always keep these too, and I kind of just stick them in my resale group stuff. That way if somebody buys a palette and maybe I'm afraid that the shimmers might bust in transit or something like that, I can use them. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Again, the lighting kind of sucks. I am sorry. But if you like greens, if you like those kind of beautiful, like warm, reddy mustard tones, yellow tones, things like that, or you like grunge, you're gonna love this. I really like the mix of like matte to shimmers. It looks like a couple of them are a little bit more kind of like satin-esque, thicker. And then some of these look like that one's got a little bit of flakiness to it. These seem very, very smooth. I'm excited. That's so pretty too. Like how perfect for this time of the year. All right, so our breakdown very quickly. We got our La Petite Maison from Gourmande Girls. We got our gloss from Gourmande Girls. We got our eyeliner duo from Beauty Creations. We got our ZC blush. That's so cute. It feels really heavy and weighted as well. And then we also got a ZC mascara. Also feels really, really heavy. And again, y'all, I love the box. That's why I have been patient and I'm giving grace, because we're people, we're humans, and life happens. But look how darn good this box is. We're literally, we have blush, we're doing our eyeshadow, we have our, our gloss and stuff like that. We have our mascara, we have our liners to round out the eye look. So I'm gonna pop up the little card up here for y'all. And we pay roughly $30-ish for the box. So yeah, that is it. That is my Eyescream Beauty box for the month of November. Like I said, hopefully we will start hearing something soon. Hopefully, she's feeling better and she's kind of getting back on track. I always want to see people succeed, you guys. That's, again, why I've still chosen to, continue purchasing and receiving and showcasing. But I also, you need to communicate with people. Like that, plain and simple. You have to be communicative. Yeah. What is going, look, if people are new here, I'm sorry. I should keep this in. But as a business owner, you have to have the lines of communication open. You have to be able to respond back to people. You have to be able to, troubleshoot and things like that. So I absolutely understand the frustration. But I love the freaking box. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5, as I generally do, because the boxes are that damn good. That's it. Thank you all so much for joining. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. You can hype the video. You can turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful.